I recently got a message from one of my academy members saying, "Hi Samuel, I trust you well. I'm in a bit of trouble. I was hoping you might be able to help. There's a property that I'm purchasing from auction and it's due to complete tomorrow. But today I got the news from my solicitor that they might not be able to complete tomorrow because they've not arranged everything with the lender yet. This is very short notice, but is there anything you could do to help? I really don't want to lose the money that I've paid on the fees."
Hello.
Ellen, how are you? It's Samuel Leeds.
Oh, hi. I'm good, thanks. Yourself?
I'm very good. I thought I'd give you a quick call just due to the urgency of your message on Samuel Social. I thought I'd just call you.
Oh, that's great. Thanks. I was like, who's this calling?
No worries. So basically, you're supposed to complete tomorrow. I've called the auction. I am sold, or at least I've got my finance director to call them.
Yeah.
To see, because we've got a very good relationship with them. We've bought many auction properties through them before. So we're going to see if we can potentially get you a week extension, which should hopefully be able to give you enough time to get your finance in place.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to get it in place through together mortgages with what they're asking, but yeah.
Is it together? Is it together, the company that you're getting? Okay.
Yeah.
You know, we know Together as well really well.
Okay.
I know the owner of Together. He's like a friend, acquaintance.
Oh, okay.
I reckon we can get it over the line.
Do you think so?
I'm very confident.
But did you see what they were asking for?
I've seen what they're asking for. So basically, it looks like the lease is not short, but it's just a little bit too short for them because of the length of term.
What do you want, Emma? Yeah.
But I think that sounds. It sounds like as long as you can confirm that you're going to get a lease extension after the mortgage, I don't think it sounds like a deal breaker.
Okay.
And they say that they could just change the mortgage product to a capital repayment one.
Okay, yeah, I wouldn't mind that as well, as long as I could get it through the line.
How much have you paid already in auction fees? And what's your deposit that you've paid?
So I paid 6,900 for the legal pack and auction fee.
Uh-huh.
And then I paid, I think, just over 15,000
Eesh.
also to my solicitor for the other things.
Okay, so you really, really want to get this, because if you don't complete, that'll be gone. You'll lose that money. So we do need to try and get you to complete. I mean, absolute worst case, if you can't get the mortgage in place, we may be able to provide the finance through SL Finance on a bridge, just to give you time to sort out the refinance. So that's another option. But I mean, it's a little bit crazy because I mean, if you've got to complete tomorrow, it's a bit hectic. It's a bit tight, and also my wife is having contractions, so we're about to go to the hospital.
Oh my God!
So yeah, she's got a booked C-section tomorrow, but yeah, that's going to be a bit of a hectic one. But I'm very confident, some way or another, we'll be able to get it over the line, and you won't lose your auction fees.
Oh, that'd be great. I've been on the phone to family like all day. I'm actually on the conference call with my sisters now.
Oh, well, keep trying and pushing those doors, because it might work out cheaper than Samuel Leeds Finance would. But if it comes to it, I can't say 100% because it needs to go through the board of directors, but I'm pretty confident we could get it sorted on a bridge, worst case.
Okay. Yeah, at the moment I'm still about 8,000 short, but yeah.
We'll figure something. We'll get it over the line.
Oh, that'd be great. Thanks for your call.
No worries. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my finance director, because I'll be in hospital with my hopefully newborn baby. But I'll get my finance director to give you a call in the morning, late morning, and then hopefully we'll have heard back from I Am Sold. But as I say, we'll get it all. We're standing with you.
That's good to hear. I'll be able to sleep maybe today.
Oh, I hope you can. But we're totally with you. And feel free, even though I'm going to be in hospital, just if you need anything, just drop me a DM on Samuel Social anytime. I'll be checking my messages, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much, Samuel.
Cheers. Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Within 3 working hours, we were able to vet the deal, sign all the relevant paperwork and send the funds over to Ellen, meaning that she could actually complete on the property in time. This, of course, is not typical time frame, but it just goes to show how fast things can be done. Congratulations, Ellen. The money has been sent over, so it's now done. We've also just had a baby. So how long ago did you give birth, Amanda?
Less than 20 minutes ago.
Less than 20 minutes ago. And after we'd seen the baby and checked it was healthy, what was the very first thing I was saying?
Did Ellen get the money?
Did Ellen get the money? And then my solicitor's confirmed it's been sent. So congrats. I hope you get the keys today.
Hi, my name is Ellen. We are in Warsaw today at my latest auction purchase. Come on in, I'll tell you more.
This is a 1-bedroom flat which I bought at auction 20% below market value. It is in a great location and we're going to do a refurb to get it ready for serviced accommodation. This purchase was only possible due to some Leeds finance that stepped in less than 24 hours to grant me a bridging loan after I had some challenges with my actual lender I had in place. The quick intervention saved me thousands of pounds and I'm super grateful to be part of the Summer Leeds Academy and to have such a great support system. A big thank you again to you and to Team Samuel. I really appreciate you. And one more thing, if you want to get into properties, I would suggest surround yourself with the right people, get into the right networks and definitely get educated. Just start, take steps a day. Once you get started, you always wish you would have started sooner. So you know what to do.